dream in my eye. I'll be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.
So I'm gonna just get this lined up right quick so I can put a crease down the middle, place my design. Bring y'all with me. So this is a shirt I'm doing a couple hoodies for my cousin. A little custom design I made for him to rep the hometown. I just put this hoodie up locally. It's pretty thick. It's actually polyester. %100% polyester. With the design, South Seattle. Created that for my cousin. He got these LeBrons right here. Just folded hard. This carrot sheet sticky. With this crease in the middle so I can line it out. Then we're gonna go 4 fingers down with it. See, that's what I don't like sometimes. Crooked still. I actually think I'm fighting a losing battle. Y'all can't see it in the camera. Let me pull it out. This pocket is not straight. Slanted a little bit. So I'm doing the same design on this one in white. And then I'm doing another hoodie, a white hoodie, 100% polyester. I'm gonna do it in like a light purple for sublimation and do a sublimation print with that. I should have just taped it. I normally don't press this way. Even with hoodies, I usually just stuff it, but sometimes it'd be hard to get in there. And then before I even do that, I'm gonna put this up underneath because I see that pocket's gonna be underneath. So I'm gonna put this pad under my print. I'm at about 305 or so for 15 seconds. This is the vinyl I've been getting. I like it. I don't know, J&J packaging. I've been using it for a while. It lasts pretty good. When I get it on Amazon, I get like, I think it's 25 feet for 28 bucks or something like that. But I like it. I use it often. And there's that. So then I'm gonna just hit him one more time. Yeah, that vinyl is cheap, but it's not too thin. It's not too thick. I've been using it for a while. I just found it. I think I was watching Print Squad and she had put in a list of cheap vinyls that she has put up on her page and took it down like within an hour or something. And that was one of the ones I found from that list. But it's soft and all that. I'm gonna just lay this out. And I'll bring y'all around and let you check it out. South Seattle, man, that's my hometown, South End, Seattle, born and raised, man. I do live in Oregon now, Eugene, Oregon to be exact, but it's where I'm from, born and raised, man. I've been out here about like 6 years. Seattle, South End, man, it's the home. But there it is, man, custom shirt. My cousin, it was a lot of back and forth on this. He lucky I love his ass. But nah, it was fun though, but I'm gonna get this one done. I'm gonna get this out the way, get this sublimation print. We're gonna go to that white, man. See y'all in a sec. All right, so I had told you I was gonna be doing sublimation. But after I pressed that last hoodie, I just happened to send my cousin a picture of it. And he decided he didn't want the sublimation no more. So, this is what we were supposed to put on. The purple of the same South Seattle. So we switched it up and wanted straight out of Seattle on the back, my hometown. So I cut that out, some black vinyl. Get that pressed up real quick. Then left chest, we're gonna do the 206, the area code on the left chest, which I should have done first because I gotta measure it out. Which I use 7 inches down, 4 inches in, and it usually comes out pretty perfect. I did not press. I don't think it got up under that heat good right there. Because usually I just peel this vinyl hot. Oh, I'm tripping, this is down. It just looked like that. Straight out of Seattle. I'm gonna bring y'all over here and just show you how I do this left chest. It hits usually for me every time. So grab a couple rulers. Actually, I don't want this. Fuck is my tape measure? Alright, so I'm gonna grab my ruler, my tape measure. I just line my tape measure up. I'm gonna use this as my center line. And I'll go 7 inches down. And I usually just line this right here. And then so I will go 4 inches, but I'm gonna split this a little bit so it ain't too far in. Put that there. I'm gonna grab a little piece of heat tape because I gotta deal with putting this big hoodie on that press. So, and my scissors would be up underneath. Where are you? So I'm gonna just put a piece of heat tape on there, hold it in place. Couple pieces. Run this camera back this way. I'm gonna use this pad this time, just so I ain't gotta like fight with stuffing this hoodie back under there. Get it rolls, get it up off the mat, off the shit. Yeah, so this is just a 15 by 15 clamshell press doing the hoodies. Did it again. Why is it doing that? Let me press it one more time. Usually it's a hot peel. It's weird. But 15 by 15, so you can do hoodies. I used to want a bigger hoodie because I wanted to get into like the all over prints. But since then, like where I live, I don't think there's no market. And for the as far as the time it takes to put them together and all that stuff, I don't think it's worth it for me. So I still may get a bigger heat press down the line just to have one, or in slide out drawer or something like that. But for the most part, the investment's not worth it for me. Because what I do, I don't really do no big, I don't do the all over. And the designs that I do big, I've learned how to use this in order to place the two. You know, like if I need something bigger than my 15, I've learned how to press it in two pieces and it come out right. So it's not a big deal for me. Yeah, I did a whole bunch of overkill on this hoodie, but we getting it done, man. Let's get it over here on this table. I'll show it to you. So the 206 right there. Straight out of Seattle on the back. Still got a piece of plastic on it. It cut through my carrier a little bit, and I don't know why, because this is my normal setting when I cut it. But nice soft little vinyl. That's that one. And then the first one we did, the South Seattle one, purple. But so somebody, the reason why I'm even mentioning this is because somebody had asked me, messaged me, sent me an email asking me about my heat press and is 15 by 15 big enough. So I'm sorry I can't think of your name off top, but you know who you are. And so you can see you can do hoodies on here pretty easily, front and back, whatever. I've done hoodies on this thing with where I put it on the hood. I've done stuff down the sleeves, everything. So hoodies can be done pretty simple with 15 by 15 clamshell press. But man, it's Heatpresas, 12 Gone Apparel, man. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe. Shout out my people. Mike T's, you dig lifestyle, all things styles.
12 Gone Apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.